In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get clipboard text using Power Automate. So, let's dive right into it. The first step is to open the Power Automate desktop application on your computer. Make sure you have it installed. If not, go ahead and download it from the Microsoft website. Once you have Power Automate desktop up and running, we're going to create a new desktop flow. You'll see an option to click on New Flow. This is where the magic begins. Give your new flow a relevant name, something like Get Clipboard Text, so it's easy to identify later. Once you've named your flow, hit Create. Now that you've got your flow set up, it's time to add the Get Clipboard Text action. To do this, look over to the Actions pane on the left-hand side of your screen and type Get Clipboard Text into the search bar. Once you've found the action, simply drag and drop it into your flow. You'll notice this action doesn't need any input parameters. It's designed to automatically pull whatever is currently in your clipboard and store that content into a variable. This variable is conveniently named Clipboard Text. It's straightforward, but it's always great to know exactly what the software is doing with your data. With the clipboard text now captured in your clipboard text variable, you probably want to do something with it. Let's say you're interested in displaying the clipboard content to ensure everything is working as it should be. You can accomplish this by adding a display message action. Drag and drop the display message action right onto your flow. In the Details pane, you'll see a field labeled Message to Display. Configure this to say %clipboard text %. Essentially, what you're doing here is telling the program, hey, show me whatever was in the clipboard when I ran this flow. Before you bask in the glory of your streamlined automation, save your work. Click the Save button to store your flow modifications. Trust me, you don't want to lose any of the effort you've put in by forgetting to save, especially if your flow is part of a larger project or if you plan to modify it further in future sessions. Finally, it's time to test your flow by clicking Run. This action executes the series of instructions you've just created. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a message pop up displaying the text that was on your clipboard. And just like that, you've got a handy little flow that captures and displays clipboard text with minimal hassle. And there you have it. You've successfully created a flow in Power Automate Desktop to retrieve and display clipboard text. This is a great skill to have in your Power Automate toolkit, especially for automating tasks that involve cutting and pasting text between applications. Thanks for following along, and happy automating!